Hello, welcome to back my video watching. Now part 4 invoice sales invoice a small shopping. Now we are how to insert picture. Now the part last was delete button to some change. Yes and no. Letter here. Okay. This here. Uh, okay, change okay. Now go to form and command button. Command button. Name change. This name. Open. Open. Okay. Name change open. Now double click. Cut. Open. Go to last and give here. First one declaration. Dim. Then F. Yep. As str. Well, str. Okay. Here. Last to go. Samam equal is null and ftr list of app application get path name file name get to open file name image box insert user form image 1 pic picture samam now load picture okay this code only the working check now open okay open this is a desktop folder is a folder look picture okay open now open okay now picture okay no problem and go copy edit buttons go fp and copy paste 5 okay add button note edit button copy add button paste copy paste 5 you go to navigation button here image button load image five okay now is a button extra on error resume next please add this on error resume next some wrong come this not problem okay this hard now working okay now working first full deleting, okay, deleting button, and after we have add no, okay. Now new this yeah 0025 and pen 22 ശതമാനം test open, okay, save, add, save. Now come here, okay. Now I full some script and save the picture. No problem. We okay pen. We added some picture, okay. Is geometric is a code. Geo is name rename for checking only. Test open, okay, add. Now yeah for paper 20 now some come add this open picture not changing. Now we are add some image, okay, reset. Now reset and testing, okay, okay, do 2 3 we are any no problem. This is checking time is very long longer. Okay, open, okay, add, save, code, any name, price, okay, open, add, save, code, any name, no problem. We are checking only this testing, no time. It's a very speed, okay, add, save. Now we have this is saving, okay. Now checking this and deleting and okay. Now now deleting this 3 deleting check, okay, delete, okay, delete, okay, in save. Now this is change one, okay, picture changing, okay, open, picture changing, scissor, edit, save, forward, okay, changing picture, okay. This is a full. Now in other video check the list box and finish the first program, okay. Now please like and subscribe button. Thank you watching my video.